And here's a paper phonograph. So it's a thin box essentially, where the top is die cut to open up, and it has a fold in it, and it has a rubber band to provide a little tension. And in the front is a needle, and I replaced the part that I lost, but it's similar in construction to this. It had a aluminum stamping that holds a steel needle, and I'm just using a sewing needle, so it's not the exact needle that was in there. The way you use it comes with a sound sheet record. There's a paper backing, a punched hole, and a aluminum pin. The pin is your handle, and you put the sound sheet on there, and then the hole in the sound sheet goes on this little aluminum stamped center, and we get it in there. And now you place the needle in the record, and you have to be very careful to make sure that the edge here touches this edge, and it gives it kind of a fulcrum or a lever, and that helps retain the rigidity and the pressure that makes it all work. And here we go.